Everyone's putting green bananas in air fryers after discovering this genius idea. Here, I'm using 3 green bananas cut into pieces about 3 fingers wide. Now, I'll season them with 3 crushed garlic cloves and add a bit of oil. Next, we're going to mix everything together really well. All set, let's put it in our air fryer. We'll leave it at 200 degrees for about 8 minutes. After that, take a piece of banana and flatten it with something straight like I'm showing. Then brush some oil on top. Add a little salt to taste. Now repeat this process with the rest of the bananas and back to the air fryer. Cook at 200 degrees until golden. Look how amazing this recipe turns out, folks. Quick, easy, and delicious banana chips. Perfect for dinner or afternoon snack. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. It's a unique flavor. I hope you enjoyed it. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs. See you next time and thanks.